Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious imitation crab meat salad or tostadas de jaiba. These are the ingredients. And we start off by peeling our cucumber and dicing it into little cubes. And we continue with our green onions. When we dice our tomatoes, it is better to do only the outside of the tomato and just to throw away the inside, which all the seeds are there. We do not want our salad to be really watery. The jalapeno in this recipe is optional, or if you want to do like me, I just remove the inside, all the seeds and the little vein. It will make it less spicy. For the crab meat, I like to cut it in long, thin slices and then cut it again so I would make little cubes with it. For the 2 carrots, we just shred them like I'm showing you right here. And there you have it. All of our ingredients are ready to be combined to make this delicious salad. And now we just combined all of our ingredients into a big bowl. And we add 1 tablespoon of salt, and we just start mixing all of our ingredients together. I like to make tostadas with this salad, but you can also use crackers if you like. And this is it. This is how it looks in a tostada. We garnish with avocado, cilantro, lime. You can also add a little bit of hot sauce if you like. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Enjoy. Bye.